I want to take a brief moment to explain PayNearMe, which is a fantastic rent payment option for a number of our residents. The first step with PayNearMe is to contact your property manager to get a retail cash PayNearMe slip. This pay slip can be used at thousands of retail locations such as CVS, Walmart, 7-Eleven, or Walgreens. You're going to want to hang on to this and take it to a retail location and then provide it to the associate. This allows a convenient rent payment option, and all of the instructions are included for the associate to help you pay your rent. The other benefit is that you don't have to come into the office, you don't have to remember a login. You simply can go there without a bank account or just simply with cash and make a rent payment. The other benefit is that they post quickly and we know that the funds are there. So if you have any questions about that, please don't hesitate to reach out to your dedicated property manager to discuss the PayNearMe rent payment option.